Hello children, this is our first class available on online mode. Since we have already discussed two of the chapters, chapter 1 and 2 in our regular classroom, then the lockdown begins. So we will start from the third chapter, which is our pair of linear equations in two variables. Generally in this particular chapter, three questions are coming. So we will discuss the chapter step by step. In first step, we will be discussing about the algebraic methods to solve pair of linear equations. Then in next session we will go for the graphical method to solve the same linear pair of the equation. So let us start. Hope you will enjoy it. While we study the linear equations in two variables, let us consider two linear equations. These we have already discussed the linear equations in two variables, each of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Since we are taking two equations, so we are indicating it by suffixes 1 and 2. So let us first equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and the second one is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1 are constants. Similarly, a2, b2 are constants. They are real numbers. Satisfying the equation a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0. Similarly, a2 square plus b2 square will not equal to. Let's see some examples. 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. 9x minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. Here we can observe the coefficient of x is 2, which is not equal to 0. Coefficient of y is 3 in the first equation. In the second equation, coefficient of x is 9. Coefficient of y is minus 2, which is also not equal to 0, and we can easily verify the given conditions that sum of the square of a1 and b1 will not vanish. Since these are positive, the square of these will keep positive value, and sum of two positive value will not give 0. Similarly here also, since it is minus 2, but when we make it square it becomes 4, so positive 4 and plus 81 will not give sum to 0. Similarly, these examples. Let's have some methods. Generally, these are algebraic methods of solving linear equation in two variables. One is substitution method, second one is elimination method, third one is cross multiplication method. Let us discuss these three methods one by one. Hello children. This is our first algebraic method to solve linear pair of equations. This is known as substitution method. Substitution, as the name suggests, substitution of one variable by other. C. That means either we will substitute x in place y or y in place of x. We can substitute in vice versa, and both of the cases we will have the same answer. So don't worry about to take which variable will be substituted. We can use both variables in any of the problem. Let us have one example. Y equal to 2x plus 4 and 3x plus y equal to 9. These are given to equations, both are linear. We have to find the value of x and y here. We can substitute y in the equation 2, this one, with the first equations. Since y equal to 2x plus 4, so this equation 2 becomes 3x plus y equal to 9, or just we are putting here value of y from equation 1, y equal to 2x plus 4, 3x plus 2x plus 4 equal to 9. When we substitute, it will give to this equation. Now, when we will solving this, 3x plus 2x becomes 5x. Now, this value of x can be used to find the value of 5 by substituting 1 for x. For example, in the first equation, y equal to 2x plus 4, it was given, so we just put 1 in place of x, then we'll get y equal to 2 into 1 plus 4, that is y equal to 6. So the solution for the linear system is 1, 6. Even if the equations are in the standard form, we can find out this by the substitution method. There will not be any harm. In the coming examples, we will be doing the same. We will be observing. Here, one format we are taking, this small bracket 1, 6. The value of x, comma, the value of y, when bracketed by small bracket, known as solution of any linear system of the two variables. Now let us discuss the elimination method. Elimination method, as the word this elimination suggests, we are eliminating one variable and making it to equation in one variable, and then we will try to find the value of the system of the given equation into variable. It will make us easier when we convert equation into variable to equation in one variable, since then in this particular case we have to find only one variable and it makes easier. For example, 3y plus 2x equal to 6, 5y minus 2x equal to 10. We can eliminate the x variable by addition of two equations. See, 3y plus 2x equal to 6, 5y minus 2x equal to 10. When we are adding this positive 2 and minus 2, these are equal and opposite sign having variable x, so these will cancel each other and we left with 3y plus 5y equal to 8y, and in right hand side 6 plus 10 equal to 16, so y equal to 2. By solving 8y equal to 6, we are getting this. Now this value y will substitute in any of the original equation to find the value of other variable, which is our, in this case, x. 3y plus 2x equal to 6. We are putting y equal to 2, 3 into 2 plus 2x equal to 6, and as goes down, by solving we get x is equal to 0. Therefore, the solution of the linear system is, can be written as 0, 2 with a small bracket. One note is here, to avoid errors, make sure that all like terms and equal signs are in the same column before beginning the elimination. This will help us in every pair of when we are going to solve any of the linear equation in future. Now, consider another example. 3x plus y equal to 9, 5x plus 4y equal to 22. We are taking this example since we want to check whether if the given coefficients are not equal, then what to do. This is another step we have to add here. What we have to do, we will multiply by any constant to make variable equal and having opposite sign. So what we are doing here, we are beginning here by multiplying this equation 3x plus y equal to 9 by minus 4, so that the coefficient of y will be of opposite sign. Now this 3x plus y will be multiplied with minus 4, becomes 12x minus 4y, and 9 becomes minus 36, and the rest ones as well as we have dropped written. When we are adding this, we see 4y minus and 4y plus will cancel each other. It will left with minus 7x equal to minus 14, and which gives x equal to 2, and rest process as well as we will just reverse or we'll put x equal to 2 in any of the original equation. Here 3x plus y equal to 9, we put x equal to 2, 3 into 2 plus y equal to 9, it gives 6 plus y equal to 9, and then becomes y equal to 3. So the solution set is here 2, 3. Now the third method, which is known as cross multiplication method. It is another useful method many times, and sometimes we will say it is a quickest one also. Now consider one situation. Cost of 5 oranges and 3 apples is 35, whereas cost of 2 oranges and 4 apples is 28. We have to find the cost of an orange and an apple. Now consider we denote the cost of an orange by rupees x and the cost of an apple by rupees y. So we can form the equation 5x plus 3y is equal to 35 and 2x plus 4y equal to 28, which is written as in these forms, which is standard form. 5x plus 3y minus 35 equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 28 equal to 0. Let us use the elimination method to solve these equations. Now we are multiplying equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3, so that we can cancel here y. But it is not necessary. We'll try to find out through cross multiplication method. So we are just writing the numbers but not solving this. See, 4 into 5x, 4 into 3y, 4 into minus 35. This is the this equation. Then 3 into 2x, here 1, 3 into 4y, 3 into minus 28, which becomes equation 4, and first one was equation 3. Now subtracting equation 4, this one from this, it becomes this. From where we can find x is equal to, this is the expression we just derived, and we can write x equal to this. We are not solving here, just we are writing, since we have to find out an expression. If equations 1 and 2 are written in the standard form, this we are knowing already, then a1 equal to 5, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to minus 35, a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to 4, c2 equal to minus 28. Then we can write equation 5. See, equation 5, this we derived equation 5 from here, which we write this equation 5. Similarly, y equal to equation 5. Now by simplifying equation 5, we get x equal to 4 and y equal to 5 by 6. From equation 5 we will get x equal to 4, and from equation 6 we will get y equal to 5. Therefore x is equal to 4 and y equal to 5 is the solution of the given pair of equation. And that is the cost, since we assumed it was orange cost was x, so it is rupees 4, and apple cost was y, so it becomes rupees 5. So this will our solution for the given situation. Now some tricks are here. If we can remember this formula, x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to y by c1 a2 minus a2 c1 c2 a1 equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, we can directly find out x and y from this expression. What we have to do, we have to just write down all the coefficients and multiply b1 with C2 minus then using B2 into C1 and putting all relative values here. Then what we'll do, we put here. Then we'll get X, and similarly when we put Y here, we'll get Y. In both of the cases, easily we can find X and Y since B1 was multiplied with C2 coefficients. Similarly, B2 was multiplied with C1, this is also coefficient. This is the process, we calling it cross multiplication, and this is one of the famous and easy method to solve linear equation in two variable, particularly when the coefficients are small and very useful in our exam also. So the next class we will discuss the graphical method. Till then, goodbye. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.